Join me as I explore the world of AI and take on the challenge of launching 5 side hustles using ChatGPT and other tools to see if I can actually make money online. The idea of AI-powered side hustles is exciting. With tools like ChatGPT, it's easier than ever to tap into new income streams and start making money online. Many people struggle to find flexible ways to earn that fit their busy lives, whether they're stuck in a 9-to-5 or freelancing. The problem is, most online gigs either require too much upfront work or don't deliver enough profit. There are countless get-rich-quick schemes out there that promise easy money, but rarely deliver. We've all been there at some point. But with AI, we can create real income opportunities that make a difference. In this video, I'm showing you 5 AI-powered side hustles you can start using ChatGPT and other tools to boost your productivity and creativity. Let's dive in. First, we have virtual writing assistants. Using ChatGPT, you can create high-quality content in a fraction of the time. Businesses and entrepreneurs always need help with blog posts, product descriptions, or social media content. And you can offer your services as a virtual writing assistant to help them out. Next is AI-powered online tutoring. If you're skilled in a specific subject, AI can help you develop personalized lesson plans and study guides. You can offer tutoring services or create online courses to teach others. Third, we have chatbot development with messaging platforms on the rise. More businesses are using chatbots for customer service and engagement. You can use ChatGPT to build conversational bots that automate responses and improve customer experiences. Fourth on the list is AI-generated art. If you're creative, you can use AI to produce digital artwork, designs, or 3D models. These can be sold online or used for custom commissions, opening a whole new way to make money online with AI. Lastly, we have transcription services. AI tools make transcribing audio and video faster and more accurate. Podcasters, bloggers, and businesses need help with transcription, and this is an easy way to offer your services and start earning. The beauty of this side hustle is that you don't need to be an expert writer to start. ChatGPT can generate content, and all you have to do is refine it for your clients. So, what's the best part of these AI side hustles? They're flexible, profitable, and you can do them completely online. Whether you want to dive into virtual writing, tutoring, or AI-generated art, there's an option for everyone. What do you think of these AI side hustles? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing for beginners, how to make money with AI, or other make money online strategies, check out my next video on AI-powered affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching.